To pay your Citibank credit card bill through an ATM, start by locating a Citibank ATM near you. You can use the Citibank website or mobile app to find the nearest ATM. Once you have found an ATM, insert your Citibank credit card into the machine and enter your PIN to authenticate the transaction. Select the language of your choice and then choose the bill payment option from the menu. Choose the credit card bill payment option and select Citibank as the biller. Enter your credit card number and the amount you want to pay, and confirm the details. You will then be asked to select your account type, such as savings or current, from which you want to make the payment. Choose the account and confirm the payment. The ATM will then deduct the payment amount from your account and update your credit card account. You will receive a confirmation message on the ATM screen and a receipt will be printed as a proof of payment. Keep the receipt safe for your records. It is essential to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to avoid any declined transaction or penalty charges. Before making the payment, check the due date of your credit card bill to avoid any late payment charges. Also, verify the payment amount to avoid any errors. It is also recommended to review your credit card account statement after making the payment to ensure that the payment has been updated correctly. Paying your Citibank credit card bill through an ATM is a convenient and secure way to make payments. It saves time and effort, and you can make payments at any time of the day. However, it is crucial to be aware of the ATM location and the working hours to avoid any inconvenience. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily pay your Citibank credit card bill through an ATM and manage your credit card account efficiently.